Hey guys, we're exploring and showing you this TD12Pro drone with 1080p. We received it for test and try. So you see this is very stable drone and it can goes up to the height, and this have inbuilt camera that you can capture the images and the videos also in your remote as well as on the mobile. So here you can see that it captures the video here, but due to like the sunshine, maybe the screen is not brighter, but you can clearly see it's capturing. You can rotate, you can fly the drone wherever you want. It have an emergency button as well, so pretty much with one stop or the button you can bring it down. So you have to put in the protection and I will show you that. So you can see like the stable from here and easy to fly even for the beginners, and nice drone with the LCD screen remote. The good part is that the both things can be recharged, so you don't need the additional batteries even for the remote. You can easily recharge the remote as well as the drone. So pretty good, and of course, as I mentioned, you can dually control, means through the remote control or the app control. This comes in this nice box, and you can also gift it to someone because it's a nice gift box, and take it anywhere you want. So this is a nice carry case which you can take it with you with a nice handle, nice zipper. So let me just take out everything here so I can show it to you. So it have a 1080p HD camera with a 90-degree electrical adjustable and the dual camera. So this is the remote. It's a rechargeable remote. You can recharge it with the USB-C. Also have a micro SD card for capturing the video and the photos. This is the main drone that you can fold and keep it in a small box, and you can just unfold it to use it. So here is the camera and on and off button. So this is the battery chamber and this is the dual mode camera. You see like the two cameras here and the receiver thing. So the accessories include a charging cable and the extra blades and the protective sides. So this is the battery pack that you can recharge and put it in the drone. So here it goes inside and just you can easily take out with the button. So this is the remote charging and this is the battery charging. Once this is all done, I will show you the demo as well. So for the protecting the side, you can easily hook, just see the corners that you have to fit in, and then just push it so it will fit. Once this fully fit, you can easily see that this covers up and this will protect the blades. So app, you can use this app and you can also control the drone through the app and capture the audio and the video. So you have a nice propeller guard, you have a nice material, so we just operating it with a remote control, and with a one push button it can control it. So you can see the stability here and you see the images capturing from it. So just trying with the remote and all the other features. So with the one button it take it down. Now just start with the mobile. So you can see the capturing from the mobile and you can just start the control and you see like it start working again. And you can see the things here like it's capturing the image even through the mobile. So very nice drone.